Creating a health system for the main character in our game is relatively easy, depending on, of course, how hard you want to make it. In this case, let's just start with adding the GUI. So open up our GUI folder, right click and then create another folder, and let's call this one Health. Now of course we need some images, so if you open up the files that come with this VTC course, then open up the PNG files in the Health GUI folder and then drag them into the Health folder we just created. This will give you a total of 9 images. One of them is the health bar completely empty, and then all the way up to completely full. Now of course we'll need to create this one up in the top right corner, since we already used the left corner for our grenade or weapon handling. So select the H80 and then go Game Object, Create Other GUI Texture. Now let's position this in the top right corner to be aligned with the other one. So let's go for a 0.9 and maybe a little 0.91. No, 0.9 will do. And then for the X, 0.8 or maybe a little more. It really depends on the aspect ratio that you're looking at. So if I go to my game view, you can see this looks pretty good. Web is usually the most difficult one, so if you have web selected and it looks good, then you're pretty much fine usually. Let's double check with the other ones. 5.4 and 4.3. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So let's rename this object and call it G_health. And then now of course what we need to do is add some slots in our script to allow for the other health images, and then we need to subtract the health from our player when the turret is angled right to face our position. So let's continue on with getting this going in our script.